iQOO has launched some really good phones in the last 1 year, and the company is known for offering the best performance for the price. Some also say that iQOO is the new OnePlus, which is not wrong because just like how OnePlus started by offering flagship killers, iQOO is doing the same. A good example of that is the iQOO 9 series that includes phones like the iQOO 9 SE, the iQOO 9 and the iQOO 9 Pro, all of which offer amazing value for money. In case you don't know, iQOO follows a half-yearly upgrade timeline, which means that it upgrades its phones every 5 to 6 months. And since the iQOO 9 series initially launched in January, that means it is now time to upgrade it with the iQOO 10 series. The iQOO 10 series is launching in China first, and the launch is taking place on the 19th of July. And almost a couple of weeks before the launch, iQOO has given us an official look at the design of iQOO 10 Pro, which is going to be the premium flagship phone by the company. Speaking of the design, the iQOO 10 Pro is coming with a dual tone look on the back. The area around the camera module has a glossy finish, whereas the rest of the back panel has a leather-like finish. The white color option also has that iconic 3-stripe design, which is to show the company's partnership with BMW Motorsport. iQOO seems to have done a lot of work on the design because if you zoom in, you can see some subtle design elements like the Kevlar finish underneath the glossy area around the camera module, or the Fascination Meets Innovation text on the black color option. There are 3 cameras in the camera module, and one of the cameras says 40x, which means it is a telephoto lens and it supports up to 40 times digital zoom. There is also the text saying powered by V1 Plus, so that means iQOO 10 Pro has the Vivo's V1 Plus chipset, which is a dedicated imaging chipset, and it is present on the Vivo X80 series as well. Finally, on the front, the iQOO 10 Pro has a curved screen with a hole punch cutout in the center. iQOO has not yet revealed the specifications, but thanks to a reliable source, we have some specifications of the phone. So the iQOO 10 Pro has a 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel, which sounds like the same screen as on the iQOO 9 Pro. Under the hood, it has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, and there is a primary 50-megapixel sensor on the rear. The main highlight of this phone is charging speed. While the iQOO 9 Pro supported 120-watt charging, the iQOO 10 Pro supports 200-watt fast charging, which is insanely fast. And well, that is all that we know so far. There will also be a vanilla iQOO 10, which is expected to be powered by the Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC, and it supports 120-watt fast charging. iQOO has not yet shared the images of the vanilla model, but we do have some unofficial designs that show how the iQOO 10 will look like. Anyways, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.